In this video, you will learn how to add items and edit your Sugar Market landing page. To begin with, I will need to build a layout of my page by dragging and dropping rows and columns from the left side menu to the canvas. Now, I am ready to add the items. Items are content elements that you can add to your page. Items can be dragged from the left navigation menu and dropped into columns. Once added, each item can be edited by clicking it to bring up its drop-down menu and corresponding options. First is the text item, which handles the styling of your page's text and contains several features in the drop-down menu. Options include adding an external hyperlink or anchor link, editing the text styling using the available font families and styling features, adding bullets or numbered lists, tables, and more. Some text features will have additional settings. For example, when a hyperlink is added, the highlighted text will have its own set of menu options. Here, you can edit the link, update the text styling, add as an anchor link, and edit the appearance of the link. To save the changes, you must click out of the editor. Next is the button item, which allows users to create calls to action that can be used to link to external URLs or as an anchor link to other areas of the page. Once added, you should see a number of features in the drop menu. Options include hyperlinks or anchor links, adjusting the size and shape, updating the color of the button and text, and more. The button text can be edited through the link feature. Again, to save the changes, I will need to click out of the editor. Next is the form item, which allows users to embed a form built in the form builder directly into your page. Once added, you should see a placeholder image as well as a number of features in the drop menu. To add a form, select Choose Form, and then you can select any published form from Sugar Market. You have additional items in the drop menu. Options include replacing the form with another, adjusting the alignment, and refreshing the form. When changes are made to the build or style of the form, the back-end code changes. If the form is hosted on a landing page, you will need to visit the page, refresh the form, and then republish the page. Next is the image item, which allows users to add images across their landing page. Once added, you should see a placeholder image as well as a number of features in the drop menu. To add an image, click Replace Image. Here, you can add an image from multiple sources. An image can be uploaded directly from your desktop by the image's public URL, from the Sugar Market Asset Library, or from the Stock Image Library. Stock images are free for all users and can be searched for by keyword. You can simply search, scroll, and select an image. Once an image is added, users can add alt text, which is the text that will appear if the image does not load. The image can be resized by either dragging the corners of the image or clicking Change Size and updating the width and height using percentages or pixels. Next, the alignment of the image can be adjusted, and the image can be used as a hyperlink. Next is the video item, which allows users to import videos directly from YouTube or Vimeo to a landing page. Once added, you should see a placeholder video as well as a number of features in the drop menu. To add a video, click Replace Image. Here you can import the video by pasting the URL or by embedding the code from YouTube or Vimeo. Once added, you can resize the video by dragging the corners of the image or clicking Change Size. Here you update the width and height using percentages or pixels. The alignment of the video within the column can be adjusted here as well. Next is the code block item, which allows users to create their own custom code within a landing page. If you would like to add a particular design, widget, or presentation that cannot be accomplished using the drag-and-drop builder, you can customize your HTML and inline CSS. You simply need to add your code between the green header elements. To save the changes and view the design, I will need to click out of the editor. Next is the horizontal line item, which allows users to insert a line across a column to create a more visually appealing web design. Once added, you have a few styling options. The background color allows you to change the color of the line. You can select a color from the available palette, select more colors to utilize the color picker, or enter a specific color code. You can choose from hex, HSL, or RGB. The line thickness can be adjusted based on the available pixel size. If you plan to add multiple lines with the same style across the page, you can easily duplicate them by clicking the copy icon. It can be selected and dragged to your desired location. To save the changes, click out of the editor. Last but not least is a spacer item, which allows users to add blank vertical space to any column. Once added, there are no unique options available in the drop menu. This item can be duplicated, hidden on mobile devices, or deleted. The height of the spacer can be adjusted by dragging the grab handle. This item is helpful when you need to align items or adjust the format on desktop or mobile. To save the changes, click out of the editor. Now that all items are added, we are ready to review our page and publish. To learn more, tune into the next video of this series.